Okay, so here we have the Trane XB13 heat pump, 2004 Trane XB13 heat pump, running, and the 2005 Carrier mini split running at the same time. Trane's model number is 2TW A3000AB. Serial number is 449529F4F. It's quite shaky. It's also a 3-phase unit. The Carrier serial number is 4505V24139. The model number is 38BNB0311. And here's a look at the front side of the Trane XB13. They're in an enclosed space, and I'm not sure if this is good for the units, but they're both running right now. Look at the Carrier. Both the units are running right now. They're in an enclosed space. You can see the ceiling. They're also very close to the building that they're cooling, so I'm not sure if this is good for the units or not. But yeah, a 2005 Carrier mini split unit and a 2004 Trane, possibly the XB13 heat pump. Over and out.